Right, the next one we have here is called the median. Median. It's a little bit like medium, but it's median. And that's the number that comes in the middle. But what's very, very important when you're doing the median is you must put the numbers in order of size first. So we're going to put these numbers in order of size. Now, a good way to do it is to cross them out as you go, and then you don't miss things out. So if we look here, we've got two ones. There's a 1 there and a 1 there. So we're going to write 1, 1. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 3s. We've got a 4, a 6, a 7, and an 8. Now we want to find the middle number of those. Now, a good way of doing that is to cross off the ends. So we're doing more crossing off, but let's do it in a different colour so we can see. So if we cross off the ends, we cross off 1 and 8. Then we do it again, we cross off 1 and 7. Then we do it again, we cross off 3 and 6. Then we do it again, cross off 3 and 4. And what we're left with in the middle there is your median, so it's 3. So that was simple. Right, let's try the next one. So we've got 2, then we've got 3, then we've got 2 8s, and we've got 2 12s, 16, and we've got 18. So we're going to try and find the middle, so we cross off the ends. So we cross off 2 and 18, we cross off 3 and 16, we cross off 8 and 12, but this time we've got 2 numbers left in the middle, and that's because we had an even number of numbers. In this one we had an odd number of numbers. So when you've got 2 numbers left, what you do first of all is you add them together. So we're going to say 8 add 12 is 20, and then you divide this number by 2. So we say 20 divided by 2 is question 5. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing again. We've got 1, we've got 2 4s, got 5, we've got 2 6s, and we've got 2 7s. So we take the ends off, 1 and 7, 4 and 7, 4 and 6, and we're left with 5 and 6 in the middle. So we add those together, 5 plus 6 is 11, and then we need to do 11 divided by 2. Now there's a simple way of doing half of an odd number. You take 1 away, which leaves 10. Half of 10 is 5, and then you just put 0.5 on the end. So your answer is 5.5. You could write that as 5.5, and that would be the same, but it's usually better to write numbers with a decimal point in unless you've actually got fractions in the question. Right, so that's your median.